How are you? I hope you're all doing fine. It's been a while since I did a vlog. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just woken up. That's why I'm on my bonnet. But yeah, so and my Christmas PJs. I know it's not Christmas yet, it's October. Still
Word
October.
that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're
still
with
October, but I'm
her,
still in my
I can
Christmas.
see that.
I've started wearing my Christmas PJs because why not? Anyway, so is literally I've just woken up, done my skincare and all that. I'm just in my office. I wanted to start the day, but today we're gonna do things differently. Today we're going to spend the day with me. Yes, so it's not a good day, by the way. It's not a good day. It's UK, so the weather is, oh my god, it's crying. It's been raining and raining and raining, but anyway, no matter that. Oh, beside that, it's still a good day. We work. We thank God for that. And yeah, so I need to go and do some laundry check. Yeah, it's a busy girl, a working girl has to do laundry when she's free. So yeah, today is my off day. I'm working today and tomorrow, which is Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Yeah, and Tuesday. Wow, yeah. So yeah, so I need to do some laundry. Then after make some coffee. And then I want to fix my hair because I'll be going to town I need to go and buy some antibiotics, but literally prebiotics, yeah. And literally, but I need to go there physically and just check what is popping. And also I need to pass by a supermarket because we're gonna cook today. And yeah, and get some few stuff. So we're gonna be spending the day with me. So how are you, everyone? Wherever you are, how is everyone? Thank you so much for 1,000 plus subscribers. I don't know. I'll keep thanking you until we get to 2,000 probably. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. I've been lacking behind. I've been a bit exhausted of late because it's like almost 9 days and I've not posted anything. But apart from that, I'm back and I'm not gonna leave anywhere. So I have content. What do I say? Yeah, I have content back to back, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, I said you comment below on what you want, what kind of content you want me to be doing, because sometimes it can be a burnout. Sometimes it can be like being creative and thinking over content is a bit hard, especially to us new YouTubers or new influencers in town. Yeah, so but now apart from that, guys, let's go get my coffee going, and then I need to do a little bit of cleaning. It's not really cleaning, but a little bit of cleaning, and then yeah, I'll be back. I got some goodies that I want to show you guys, and some chains and some earrings. Yeah, so at least I got the first PR. And I'm super excited, guys. It might be nothing. I'm not into jewelries and other stuff, but I still got my first PR package, and I got it but I got it even before I got to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, after I got to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited to just be sitting here because I've been a bit burnout, but I've also been busy working because of course I'm working my full-time job and also doing some content, which is really hard to juggle because of course I can't quit my job to go and do this because I'm yet to start being paid on other stuff. So, and the money, again, yeah, it needs to be like, I need to be consistent and just put a lot of energy to it so that I can see the fruits of it. But anyway, yeah, let's go get something moving because almost 10 o'clock. I woke up and then just sat in the bed. But yeah, so let's go to this. So I'm just making my toast. This is not the healthiest way to eat, but my bread is done, toasted. I'm gonna apply some butter.
여기서 alone, I feel like falling deeper, cause I love everyone.
So these are some of the jewelries that I got. One is this one. I was trying to wear it because I thought I was recording for like 10 minutes and I was not. But yeah, this jewelry, this is the first one. It's a bracelet. It's a gold bracelet. It comes with a ring. So if you buy both of them, they come with the ring. It's quite beautiful. I love the way it is. It's gold and yeah, it's stainless. Like it just feels good and it's quite light. So if it's fall and you're looking forward to layering your clothes and having long sleeved tops because it's cold, you can put this on top of your top or anything. And again, Beebeecraft is really like it's not only jewelries. You can buy beads and anything that you want to make your own craft back home. Imagine guys having an activity. If you don't have activity with your babies on weekends, you can buy beads from Beebeecraft. Yeah, am I saying correctly? Beebeecraft. I'll write it somewhere and I'll touch it somewhere. So you can buy beads from Beebeecraft with your kids back home or your friends and just decide to make each other bracelets and stuff like that, necklaces, because there's so many varieties of, oh my god, they have so much varieties. I'll show you on the screen how much varieties they have. But for me, I'm quite a bit lazy. I'm not really creative. So I went just and bought like already jewelries. And yeah, I got these chains. I kind of loved them. They look so beautiful. And then I also got this silver chains also. They come with a bracelet and also a necklace. You can layer them the way you want. I'm not a chain girl, I'm not a jewelry girl, but if you are, I'll be gifting this one to my friends and my brothers and all of them who wear jewelries and silvers and stuff like that. And this is a stainless steel, so mind you, it looks beautiful. So you can run to Beebeecraft if you don't have anything to do, activities to do with your girls, especially right now. It's fall in the UK, it's raining back to back, and you don't want to take your kids to a playground, they'll be rained. So most of the activities you can do during weekends is go to Beebeecraft, buy their beads, buy their craft, and just make each other beads, make each other stuff, like just celebrate each other, making each other beautiful bracelets, beautiful necklaces, beautiful anklets, wherever you want it. That was it. I'll have my breakfast, then I'll have to fix my hair, then and see if I can get dressed up because I need to go to town, man. I need to go to town. And I was supposed to go to hospital. I need to call 911 and book appointment, but I don't know. The weather is so sad and I'm not feeling like doing it. But anyway, apart from that, I'm gonna do this, finish my breakfast, then I'll get back to you. I was not able to do anything. I just sat here trying to do my wig. I want to do some other wig, the maroon wig, but man, I can't be bothered to glue that wig on. And I decided to call for appointment because I wanted to go to the doctor, but I don't like I'm sick, but yeah, never got one. But yeah, so I just did my makeup, and yeah, I'm loving my makeup, guys. Whew, my makeup skills are going. Can't tell me anything, girl. Then I got this glueless wig. Nowadays, guys, I love glueless wigs. Please don't send me wig to glue in. Just give me the glueless wig. I'm going to the gym every day. I'm sweating, so I need something that I can take off, wash my hair, because I don't want to stink, please. So that's why I was like, nah, I can't be bothered. I'm gonna put on a glueless wig. Anyway, let's put this wig on. I have a call in 5. In one, I got appointment. I had an appointment with the doctor online, but I'm done. I have my prescriptions, so I want to dress up. I'm gonna be wearing this jumpsuit. Is like I got it from TikTok. It's like a gym kind of material. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. Then with some, I don't know, with some maybe some trench coat probably. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and some boots. I need to walk to the pharmacy because it's closes at 9:30, so I have all the time. I can walk from there, then connect to supermarkets. So yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. And I was just doing some videos for TikTok for fashion for fall with some jackets. So my side there is messy, but anyway, no one cares. So I think I'm gonna wear it with these because I'm not sure how cold it is outside. Let's see how cold it is outside. I hope I don't get rained on. This is how it looks like. I love it, guys. Oh my god, just look how amazing I look. I've been going to the gym consistently, I won't lie, but bro Look at the body. Look at that waist. Look at that waist. Where? Waist where? Let me come closer for you to see. Waist where? Guys. Yeah, she looks good. She damn look good. So yeah, I'm walking to this road, the pharmacy. I'm putting the steps on because I need 10,000 steps, and today I've not gone to the gym because I was taking a break. But apart from break, we're gonna put the steps on. I love my makeup. Woo. I love me. Affirmations, guys. Affirmations are very important. Anyway, I'll see you in the pharmacy. Let me put the steps on. I just got home and I got some stuff. I got this Dermol 500 lotion. This for washing, like taking a bath, because I'm getting acne on my body and itchiness and stuff like that. So yeah, got this one. Yeah, so it's good also for washing the intimate areas. That's what my doctor said. Then I got this. I'm gonna have steak with some chips and some vegetables, which is a bad idea because I've taken like biscuits when I was walking here, which is anyway. And then I got these. I don't have cocoa butter. I only have the Vaseline one. So I got the Palmer's one. Quite expensive. They've been it. Then my tablets, medication. Then I got a steak. I forgot to get the bread. So I think tomorrow I'll go to Sri and get the bread. Then we can have this one for dinner. And then I got this steak. Love this steak more. This one. Then I got Michael rib buyer because he loves rib. This one. So yeah, those are the only few things that I've gotten from supermarket. I don't know what I'm starting because I don't cook then before it gets cold. I need to cook when Michael is almost here home. So I'm gonna text him and see, ask him what time he's coming. What time is arriving home. Then maybe he can start cooking almost when he's almost at home. Cause it's way better than you cooking. I cook early, then the food is cold. There's no little bit. So I'll just put them in the freezer. In the freezer, then maybe I'll go to my office and sit there for some time and see what I've recorded. I've become so bad at vlogging. Then yeah, so I don't know if we have potatoes. I need to go and check if we have potatoes first before I sit down. So let's see. Then yeah, then yeah, that's literally what I've done today. Like most of the time, I'm so bad at doing vlogging nowadays because literally the weather has been so bad. I was supposed to go to town. I never went because the weather was terrible, and yeah, so I just had to sit up. But at least I've done some. Anyway, guys, I think I'll wrap up this video here because I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you cooking because now I don't have time to start showing you cooking, guys. Maybe that will be another video, but I'm going to wrap up this video here. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video if you've watched this video till here, and I'll see you in my next video. So bye.